Uh-huh, you stopped me with none, huh? We not more.
Sick 'em on a chicken, sick 'em on a chicken, sick 'em on a chicken and watch them feathers fly. Sick 'em on a chicken, sick 'em on a chicken, break out the butter and the flour, we're ready to fry.
My dog Pete's the smallest dog of all the dogs in my yard.
That's right.
He's a mean some bitch, drinks beaming water from a broken mason jar.
And we sick 'em on a chicken, sick 'em on a chicken, sick 'em on a chicken and watch them feathers fly. Sick 'em on a chicken, sick 'em on a chicken, break out the butter and the flour, we're ready to fry.
I heard this awful noise coming out of the woods.
Coming out of the wood.
I heard chicken screams, knew it wasn't gonna be good.
I think we lost a chicken, I think we lost a chicken, I think we lost a chicken cause I just heard her cry. I think we lost a chicken, I think we lost a chicken, but you can get another one for $1.79.
Over a couple of years his spurs had grown and he wasn't safe to keep around the home, and he almost took an eyeball from Lonnie's son. And I was in the kitchen making fig preserves and I heard that young'un get kicked in the face, and I knew it was the day that that rooster's gonna get what he deserves.
So I chased the chicken, I chased the chicken, I chased the chicken and Pete hit him from the side. I chased the chicken, I chased the chicken, me and Pete suppered on a homemade chicken pot pie. Sick 'em on a chicken, sick 'em on a chicken, sick 'em on a chicken and watch them feathers fly. Sick 'em on a chicken, sick 'em on a chicken, I can smell the kitchen and it's almost supper time.
Ain't that fun? I like my chicken fun. Yeah.
Bothering me today, and I wanted to tell him to go away, but I stood and listened to him anyway, okay? Said he didn't want to shoot that man, and it was his thing, and I wouldn't understand, and he had done all that he can, okay? Okay. His body was as good as mine, and just like me, he was wasting time turning every stone to see what he could find, okay? He was feeling tank and he asked for money. I lied and said I didn't have any. My conscience took over and gave him a handful of change.
Don't do a thing,
Don't do a thing,
stay right there. You'll lie there,
you'll lie there,
to survive in the city when beautiful days don't look so pretty and you don't have windows to keep the night away, okay? He's dirty and stinky and just a bit crude, but I didn't say that because that's kind of rude. He didn't care what I had to say in the first place.